Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. I hope you guys doing well. This is the new FFmpeg video tutorial. Here we will learn how to do text scrolling on video. Guys, you can see the demo right now on my screen. You can see the text is running from right hand side to the left hand side. We can do more variations. We can put this text on the bottom of the screen. We can run this text from left to right. So all these things we will learn here. So I have prepared the list of the 6 items that we're going to do in this video tutorial session. So first we will learn how to do a text scrolling from right hand side of the screen to the left hand side of the screen. Then we will see another variation, scrolling from left to right. Also we can change the position, the top of the screen and the bottom of the screen. So I will show you this thing in the point 3 and 4. And the 5th point is how to increase the speed of that scrolling text. So whatever the text is running, you can increase the speed of that or you can decrease the speed of that. Also, if you want to load this scrolling text from any file, example like from the text file, so you can do this thing as well. I will describe all these 6 points one by one. So let's get started now. So we will start with the first point. So here is the demo output that I have shown you. So I have deleted that one to avoid the confusion. Now I'm going back here in the notepad and I will show you the first command that I have written here. And I will describe few important things in this command. This is very straightforward and very simple. So what we are trying to do, we will do a text scrolling on video from right hand side of the screen to the left hand side. So the running text will run from the left hand side to the left hand side. Also we will see the positioning of the text on the bottom of the screen or the top of the screen. So the first example is, I will put the running text in the bottom of the video and it will run from right hand side to the left hand side. So here's the command. You can see I will describe. So guys, this is as usual FFmpeg instructions. After that -I to receive the input file. We have this input file as input.mp4. After that we have to use the draw text filter -vf, then draw text. After that, this is the parameter font file. So what kind of font you want to use, you have to give this way. So the parameter equals sign and then the value of that parameter. Okay, now moving to the next, and this is the text. Whatever the text you want to scroll on the video, that you have to put at this place as a value of this parameter. Text is equal to the text. Okay guys, now we have to finalize the x and y coordinates. That means how you can place the text on the video, and that will appear as running text from right hand side to the left hand side. So here's the way I have calculated the x and y. I will describe you. So guys, y is calculating in this way that the text will start from the right hand side, okay, and this will appear in the bottom. So the h means the complete height of the video, and then we are displaying our text 10 pixel away, okay, and this is the x, the calculation of x. This is w is width of the video. So and t is a variable, t is a time. So time is increasing, like t is equal to 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and so on. So we are reducing the x position with respect to time. Okay, so we are reducing this at t is equal to 1 second. So 100 pixel will be subtracted from the total width. Okay, so the text will be displayed on one position on the very right hand side of the screen. After that it will reduce this and it seems like it is moving from right hand side to the left hand side. So this is the logic behind the value of x. And guys, we have font color. You can change the font color, you can place the hexadecimal values as well, and then you have option for the font size. You can increase or decrease the size, and then there's the output. Now I will run this command on the console. So here Okay, here's my input file, so I will open the command prompt from this place. So I have not to set the path for this file. I will directly refer to this file. Okay, now I'm going to paste it and hit enter. So guys, execution is started. Now we will wait for the completion of this. Meanwhile, you can see the command. It is very simple. The main focus line is the calculation of y and the calculation of x. So just focus on these x and y calculation, guys. It is simple. You can change or can do more variation on it. Okay, output is produced. Now we will test this one. Okay guys, now you can see the text cool IT help is coming from the right hand side and keep moving towards the left. You can see, guys, wow, it's working. So command is perfectly working as per our expectation. So guys, we have seen how to place the scrolling text on video that is running from right hand side to the left hand side at the bottom of the screen. Now we will see the second variation, in which we will put the same scrolling text that will run from the left hand side to the right hand side to the left hand side, but in the top of the screen. Okay, so I am changing the position, so I will change the y coordinate. Rest of the command will be same, you can see, and only change is y value. Previously we have calculated this value to reach at the bottom, but now we are at the top of the video but 20 pixel away from the top wall of the screen. Okay, so y is equal to 20. Now the rest of the command will be same, no change, and the output video is output 4.mp4. I will execute this command as well here in front of you for a better clarification. Okay, command is executed. Now I'm waiting for the output. Guys, it can take time. If video is lengthy, then it will take more time, and if video is short, it will be finished soon. Okay, now the output 4 is produced, and now we will verify this output 4.mp4. So here's my output 4.mp4. let me open this. Okay, now you can observe on the top the cool IT help text is running from right hand side to the left hand side, and it is going, and it is changing 100 pixel only. You can reduce or you can speed up the running text on the video. I will describe you. So guys, we have seen the scrolling of the text from right hand side to the left hand side, and the top position and bottom position, how to change it. Okay, and now I will describe you how to scroll the text from left hand side to the right hand side. Guys, command will be similar, only the y position and x value will be changed. So guys, just focus on that. Rest of the command will be same. So here in the left to right scrolling, I will describe you in the two cases, in which first we will place on the top and then we will place the text in the bottom. Command is same. You can see there's a draw text filter, then we have a font file, and this is the path. This is the way to give the path of the font file. If you have fonts in a different directory, so you have to get that and replace at this place. Okay, after that focus on this y and x calculation. You can see we are placing our text on the top of the screen 10 pixel away from the top wall of the screen. So y is equal to 10, then the calculation of x, because from x0 we are continuously increasing 100 pixel with respect to time. Suppose t is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In such a way we are multiplying by 100, so at t is equal to 1 second we will get 100 pixel, at t is equal to 2 seconds we will get 200 pixel. So the value of x, the position of x will be changed with respect to time. So this is the way of calculation to display scrolling text on the video. And this is the font color white. You can give the hexadecimal value as well at this place. And the font size is 30. We can change it as per our choice. At last, there is a output file name. So output will be produced output 5. I'm going to run this command. Okay, this is the console. Here we go, and processing is started. It's done, and now we will check the output 5.mp4 file, and we will verify our command is working or not. I'm opening this file. Okay guys, you can see and observe here, Cool IT help. This is the text which is running from left hand side to the right hand side, and the position is top of the video. So guys, we have seen this command also working perfectly fine. If you want more variation, you can set the position of Y. You can place at the center, but you have to just calculate the height, total height of the video. Now we will see one more command to place the same text at the bottom of the video. So guys, the command will be same, only the change will happen with the value of Y. So here you can see that the calculation of Y. H is the total height of the video, the screen of the video, and we are subtracting the values line underscore H. That means whatever the text we are placing, so the height of that -10, that means your text will display 10 pixel away from the bottom of the screen. Okay, otherwise it will be touch just border of that bottom of the screen. That's why we have subtracted -10 as well, and the X will be same, and the rest of the command will be same. Okay, only the output name I have changed. Now I'm going to run this to show you the result. Okay, execution is started. Okay, it's done. Now we will verify the output. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Now guys, you can observe at the bottom of the video, the Cool IT help text is running from left hand side to the right hand side, and this is appearing from the 10 pixel away from the bottom of the screen. And guys, we have seen the way how we can scroll the text from left to right, right to left. Now I will show you how to increase the speed of scrolling text. It's a basic and simple idea, and just we have to do a minor change. So I am taking this command as an example. Okay, now I will take this one for the change. So I will show you how you can increase or decrease the speed. Guys, you can see the factor which is multiplying by time. So here you can change the value. You can put 500 in place of 100, then the value of X will change more fast, so the text will move more speed and it will run away. Okay, so I have done the changes, and now I'm going to run this command and display you the output. Command is executed. Now okay, the output is produced. Now we will see the output and we will verify the results. Guys, you can see the Cool IT help text is running very fast because we have changed the multiplying factor. from 100 to 500. So guys, this is the place where you can do more experiment by changing the values, and you can get the suitable speed what you want. Or you can put 50, you can put 10, so it will move slowly. If you increase the value, it will move more fast. So guys, we have seen the point number 5. Now I will show you the point number 6. Here, suppose you have a long text and you want to put that text in the notepad or text files, or you want to load that. How you will do that? It's simple. Rest of the command will be same. FFmpeg -i the input video, and after that VF and a draw text filter. Now we have to use the parameter text file in place of the text. In the previous command we have seen we have used the parameter text. Now we have to use the parameter text file equal to the name of the text file. Right here you can see I am using info.text file. So I have written this text inside the text file, and this text will be loaded inside the command, and that will be placed as a scrolling text on video. Okay, and we have placed this text file just adjacent to the input video. Okay, if you are placing this thing somewhere else, so you have to give the path. And for this example, I am putting this on the top of the video, 10 pixel away from the top wall of the screen. And after that the X is the same, the calculation of X will be same. We are running this text from left hand side to the right hand side. Font color is white and font size is 30. Now we are going to produce output 7.mp4. I will execute this command and we will see the output. Here we go. Processing is started. It's done. Okay, now I will open this. Now guys, you can see on the top, this is Cool IT Help. Please like and subscribe for more. The text is running, which is coming from this text file info.txt. Look at here. It is running perfectly fine. Guys, our command is working in a proper way, and I suggest you just take help from this video and write the command and do more variation and do more experiment as per your need. You will achieve what you want. The purpose of this tutorial to give you the simple guideline to use in a simple way, and guys, you can explore more on these FFmpeg commands. The main concept is how to set X and Y position, okay, in this command. Rest of the thing will be same. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you, please like this video, and guys, please subscribe my channel, or you can press the bell icon and you will get the latest video updates on time. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.